Alrighty, group problem number 2. Let's see what we got here. We got an equilateral triangle. That's isosceles. Maybe I can make it. That's probably close enough to an equilateral triangle. It's just a sketch anyway. Let's call this DEF. And it says label diagram. Okay, DE is 24, which I know equilateral means all the sides are 24. Let's see. DF is going to be 5y minus 6, and EF is going to be 1/2 x plus 8. So, like I said before, if all these are 24 and I want to know what x is, I'm just going to say 1/2 x plus 8 equals 24. Just solve that guy. So I get 1/2 x equals 16. Multiply both sides by 2. You get x is 32. Nice. How about when I do that with y? If I set this guy equal to 24, I get 5y equals add 6, 30. So y equals 6. All right, I got x and y. What else do I need to find here? Let's see, x and y done. So when we did that, find the area. Okay, area. Well, let's see. Area requires base times height, so I need a perpendicular. So let's see. I'm going to drop an altitude, and I know when it's an equilateral triangle, an altitude is also a median. So I can say if this guy's 24, the whole bottom, the base here is 24, each of these has to be 12. Now I have to use the Pythagorean theorem to figure out this height. So I got 12 squared plus, let's see, which one's my hypotenuse? This is the hypotenuse, so 12 squared plus 8 squared equals 24 squared. And if I go ahead and solve that, let's see, I'm going to subtract 24 squared minus 12 squared. That gives me my h squared. So let's square root that. Let's see, square root of that is 20.78. My h is 20.78 about. So now if I want to find the area, I got to do area equals 1/2 times the base. The entire base is this whole base, that's 24, times the height I just found, 20.78. And let's see if I can multiply that. 0.5 times 24 times what I just found should be 249.41. So my area is 249.41, and let's just say units squared because I don't know what kind of units we're working with. So there's number 2.